Classic Dash has introduced a new instrument panel for late Fox-bodied Mustangs that comes with a special plug-in wiring loom that interfaces with the factory harness and saves installation time. You can replace the boring, plastic-face stock panel with a cluster of high-performance autometer gauges and keep close tabs on your ride. You have a choice between matte black, brushed aluminum, or carbon fiber finished UV-resistant ABS composite panels and a wide selection of autometer gauge types. Installing the Classic Dash panel can be accomplished in a few hours using common tools. You'll need to remove the stock panel and unplug the wires. The next step is to remove the factory water temperature and oil pressure sensors and replace them with what's supplied with the gauges. Reattach the factory wires. Then, you can install the gauges in the new Classic Dash panel and hook up the color-coded wires from the harness. Insert the white and black connectors into the appropriate OEM receptacles. There are special wires to attach a GPS speedometer. Classic Dash makes two panels. One for 1987 through 89 Mustangs that come with a sub-panel for warning lights and the harness connects to it, and one without, which can be used for all late Fox cars. Warning lights for 1990 through 93 Mustangs are installed at the car's owner's discretion. The final steps are to connect the turn and high beam indicator lights, etc., to the factory wires. Attach the new panel to the dashboard, and you're in business. Classic Dash makes it easy to upgrade the interior of late Fox-bodied Mustangs and provide drivers with important information.